Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into dreamy back porch ideas. I'll be sharing stunning designs and explaining why they work so well, both aesthetically and practically. Let's get started. This back porch is a charming, vibrant oasis. I love the use of hanging plants and flower pots, adding a lush, inviting feel to the space. The wicker chairs are a great choice for outdoor seating, comfortable, durable, and stylish. The rustic wooden beams and ceiling fan create a cozy farmhouse vibe, perfect for relaxing on a warm day. The decorative windmill adds a unique focal point, giving the porch character. If I could change anything, I'd add some outdoor cushions for extra comfort and a small side table for convenience. Overall, this porch is a delightful retreat, combining beauty and functionality effortlessly. This back porch exudes a cozy, autumnal charm. I adore the use of neutral tones and soft textiles, which create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The wicker furniture adds a touch of elegance while maintaining durability for outdoor use. The draped curtains provide privacy and a sense of intimacy, perfect for a quiet retreat. The mix of plaid and solid patterns on the cushions and throws adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. I love the decorative elements like the pumpkins and dried flowers, which enhance the seasonal feel. To improve this space, I'd add a small heater or fire pit for cooler evenings. Overall, this porch is a delightful blend of comfort and style. This back porch has a welcoming, patriotic theme that I find really appealing. I love the comfortable sectional sofa, which offers plenty of seating for gatherings. The string lights overhead create a cozy ambience, perfect for evening relaxation. The festive bunting adds a fun, celebratory touch, and the outdoor rug ties the space together beautifully. The mix of plants and flowers brings in a touch of nature, softening the overall look. I appreciate the practicality of the coffee table, ideal for hosting snacks and drinks. To make this space even better, I'd add some colorful throw pillows for a pop of color and extra comfort. Overall, this porch is both functional and inviting. This back porch is a serene retreat with a minimalist design that I absolutely love. The hanging daybed is a standout feature, offering a cozy spot to relax and enjoy the view. The striped pillows add a touch of pattern without overwhelming the space. I appreciate the simplicity of the wooden coffee table and the woven chairs, which blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The black and white rug anchors the seating area and provides a nice contrast to the wooden elements. The rustic side table adds character and functionality. To enhance this space, I'd add a few more colorful plants or flowers for a bit of vibrancy. Overall, this porch is a perfect mix of comfort and simplicity. This back porch has a clean, modern look that I find refreshing. The black metal furniture with gray cushions is both stylish and sturdy, providing a comfortable seating arrangement for gatherings. I love the patterned outdoor rug, which adds visual interest and defines the seating area. The use of string lights overhead creates a warm and inviting ambiance, perfect for evening entertaining. The bar area with high stools is a great addition, offering a casual spot for drinks and conversation. The potted plant adds a touch of greenery, bringing life to the space. To enhance this porch, I'd incorporate some colorful throw pillows for added comfort and a splash of color. Overall, this setup is practical and aesthetically pleasing. This back porch has a timeless southern charm that I absolutely adore. The black rocking chairs are classic and provide a relaxing spot to enjoy the outdoors. I love the addition of the small matching rocking chair for children. It's a thoughtful touch that makes the space family-friendly. The white and black striped pillows add a touch of elegance and comfort. The lush ferns and potted plants bring in a refreshing burst of greenery, making the porch feel vibrant and alive. The hanging lantern and ceiling fan are practical additions, ensuring comfort and visibility. If I could change anything, I'd add a small side table for drinks or books. Overall, this porch is a delightful blend of style and comfort. This back porch is an enchanting mix of rustic and whimsical elements. I love the hanging daybed with its cozy, colorful pillows. It's a perfect spot for relaxation. The use of potted plants and topiaries adds a lush, garden-like feel to the space, creating a sense of tranquility. The rustic coffee table and striped rug tie the area together beautifully, offering both style and practicality. The hanging wreath, framed in an open window, is a creative and charming touch that adds character. The string lights overhead ensure the porch is inviting even in the evening. To enhance this space, I'd add a few more cushions for added comfort. Overall, this porch is a delightful retreat, combining charm and functionality effortlessly. This back porch has a cozy, cottage-like charm that I find irresistible. The white furniture and soft neutral tones create a calming atmosphere, perfect for a restful retreat. I love the R-nest pillow, adding a personal and inviting touch. The abundance of greenery, both hanging and potted, makes the space feel fresh and vibrant. The old window frame with climbing plants is a creative and picturesque feature that adds character. The wicker chair and side table provide a comfortable spot for reading or enjoying a cup of tea. To enhance this space, I'd add a few more colorful flowers for a pop of color. Overall, this porch is a delightful blend of comfort and charm. This back porch is a cozy, well-lit haven that I find truly charming. The mix of vintage and modern elements creates a unique, eclectic vibe. I love the comfortable seating with plush cushions and throws, making it an ideal spot for relaxation. The string lights and table lamp provide warm, inviting lighting, perfect for evening gatherings. The plants and decorative wreath add a touch of nature, enhancing the porch's appeal. The rustic table serves as a great centerpiece, offering both functionality and style. To improve this space, I'd add a small area rug to define the seating area and add a bit more texture. Overall, this porch is a delightful blend of comfort and elegance, making it a perfect retreat. This back porch exudes a serene and inviting ambiance that I absolutely love. The hanging swing with its plush white cushions offers a perfect spot for relaxation, creating a cozy and stylish seating area. The wicker chair adds a touch of texture and complements the natural feel of the space. I adore the soft, neutral color palette, which keeps the porch looking fresh and modern. The patterned outdoor rug anchors the seating arrangement beautifully and adds a subtle design element. The potted plants and greenery enhance the tranquil vibe, making the space feel alive and welcoming. To improve this porch, I'd add a small side table for convenience. Overall, this porch is a delightful retreat, blending comfort and elegance seamlessly. This back porch has a classic, elegant feel that I find very appealing. The black swing with its patterned cushions and cozy throw offers a perfect spot for relaxation while enjoying the view. I love the high columns and the open space, which give the porch a grand and airy atmosphere. The intricate design of the outdoor rug adds a touch of sophistication and ties the seating area together beautifully. The potted plants add a fresh burst of greenery, making the space feel alive and inviting. The ceiling fan is a practical addition, providing a cool breeze on warm days. To enhance this porch, I'd add a small side table for convenience. Overall, this porch combines style and comfort effortlessly. This back porch has a refreshing coastal vibe that I absolutely adore. The blue cushions and striped rug create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere, perfect for enjoying a sunny day. I love the combination of the white furniture with the natural wicker chair, which adds texture and interest to the space. The potted plants and hanging ferns bring a touch of nature, enhancing the porch's relaxing feel. The white coffee table with its intricate design is both stylish and functional, providing a great spot for drinks or decor. The hanging lantern adds a classic touch, making the porch feel cozy and well lit in the evenings. To make this space even better, I'd add a few more throw pillows for extra comfort. Overall, this porch is a delightful retreat. This back porch has a charming, rustic feel that I find very inviting. The wooden pergola with string lights creates a warm, cozy ambiance, perfect for evening gatherings. I love the neutral-toned wicker furniture with comfortable cushions, which provide a relaxed and stylish seating area. The natural fiber rug ties the space together and adds a layer of texture. The pops of color from the striped pillows add a playful touch without overwhelming the design. The mix of potted plants brings in a touch of greenery, making the porch feel lively and fresh. To enhance this space, I'd add a small side table for convenience and possibly a fire pit for cooler nights. Overall, this porch is a delightful mix of comfort and rustic charm. This back porch has a sleek, modern design that I find incredibly stylish. The black pergola with hanging wicker lamps creates a striking focal point and provides a bit of shade. I love the light wood furniture with gray cushions, offering a comfortable and contemporary seating area. The layout is perfect for socializing, with ample space for guests. The use of greenery and white flowers around the porch adds a refreshing contrast to the neutral tones. The small coffee table is a practical addition, ideal for placing drinks or decor. To enhance this space, I'd add a few more cushions in different textures for added comfort and visual interest. Overall, this porch is a beautiful blend of modern elegance and comfort. This back porch is a vibrant and eclectic space that I find absolutely charming. The hanging daybed with its mix of patterned pillows creates a cozy and inviting spot for relaxation. I love the blue ceiling, which adds a pop of color and a whimsical touch to the space. The use of hanging plants and potted flowers brings a lush, garden-like feel, making the porch feel alive and refreshing. The rustic coffee table adds character and functionality, perfect for holding drinks or decor. The string lights and hanging chandelier provide soft, ambient lighting, enhancing the porch's cozy atmosphere in the evenings. To make this space even better, I'd add a few more colorful accessories to tie everything together. Overall, this porch is a delightful blend of comfort and style. Thanks for joining me on this tour of dreamy back porch ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite design. See you next time on Design Eye.